be in a place where I hear things like ICOs, stable bitcoins, tracer data. Where are you? Tracer data.
All right.
How fabulous! And then naming conventions, of course. I don't think I've been in a place like this where this is common language. People here like the stuff I like. It's absolutely terrific. So I want to thank you for allowing me to be here today. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. My wife is over here in the back. Thank you. And Sasha, a colleague, is standing here with me. Thank you all. It's been a pleasure. It's been so wonderful to be with people who like the stuff I do. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations.